With a lightweight design and efficient oxygen delivery, the Inogen Rove 4 portable oxygen concentrator is an excellent choice for active oxygen users. Step by step, we'll walk you through its setup and operation to help you navigate your new device. Let's start by installing the battery. Find the compartment on the bottom of the unit and slide the battery into place until you hear a click, which indicates it is securely locked. To charge your device, simply connect the AC power adapter to a wall outlet or use the DC power cable in your vehicle. Both options allow the unit to operate while simultaneously charging the battery. The standard battery takes about 3 hours and 15 minutes to fully charge over AC or DC power. The extended battery takes about 6 hours for a full charge. You can use the unit while it charges, ensuring continuous oxygen therapy without interruption. The Inogen Rove 4 comes with a standard nasal cannula. To connect it, firmly press the tubing connector onto the oxygen outlet located on top of the device. Then position the cannula on your face with the prongs comfortably placed inside your nostrils, ensuring efficient oxygen delivery with every breath. Press the power button on the LCD control panel to turn on the device. The screen displays battery life, your oxygen flow setting, and other vital information. Use the intuitive control buttons on the screen to adjust the oxygen flow to your prescription. The Rove 4 offers 4 pulse dose settings. The Rove 4 is one of the lightest portable oxygen concentrators available, weighing only 2.9 pounds. It comes with a custom carry bag with a padded shoulder strap to make it even easier to carry with you wherever you go. It's FAA approved for air travel, and it operates at only 39 decibels, making it suitable for shared spaces and public settings without causing disruption. With its comprehensive alarm system, the Rove 4 will notify you if there's a low battery, low oxygen levels, no breath detected, or any system malfunctions. If you have any further questions about your Inogen Rove 4, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.